Hey guys, Kona here. I got a new product in. A company by the name of Zekzoop, a Chinese manufacturer, reached out and asked if I could do a review on some of their products. Now, they already developed things such as all-weather floor mats, cargo liners, and door sill protectors for the Tacoma scene, but with the recent redesign of the 4Runner, they're looking to support us as well. Now, I already have the OEM all-weather floor mats, so I asked to take a look at the door sill protectors. And with that, they threw in actually the cup holder inserts as well. Nice silicone cup holder inserts to be able to make sure I can pull out all those Cheerios for my 2-year-old. Let's go ahead and open these up and get these things installed. Now, I've had my Nissan for over a decade. I've gone camping, off-roading, even gone to the market. And I've beat up the plastics. For this one, I want to see if we can protect it a little bit better. First and foremost, 3M recommends 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol for cleaning and prepping the surface. 91 is perfectly fine. Then, I like to prep all the corners of the tape, peeling each one up. Another thing I like to do to prep the plastics is to use either a heat gun or a hair dryer to warm them up. This creates better adhesion. One thing to note is just be mindful of your rug or carpets. It can melt them. So I like to heat it up just enough so that it's a little too warm to possibly touch. With one done, let's go ahead and do the rest. Overall, I really like the product. The material used are top notch, and I think it's going to hold up really well over time. Something to remember, read the instructions, use those primer wipes. If you don't, that 3M tape is not going to adhere to the plastics properly. That first panel I did, yeah, I forgot to do it. Had to pull it up, but once I did it right and wiped down all the plastics with those wipes, it worked out really well. Some improvements I would have, or recommendations, would be for the front inner treads. If they were to extend them further back to the seams where the plastic panels are, that would be ideal. And then on the passenger side, that cutout might be a little bit too large. It's exposing some of the plastic. With these couple improvements, they'd have a really great product. With that though, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.